There is something inside me that is bubbling and bursting to come out. Something that needs to be said. I am so encouraged about what is happening with the world today. No longer are we able to ignore and be passive and just act as if there's nothing wrong. Our old systems are falling apart right in front of us, and it is fantastic. Rather than be afraid and resist and fight, let it fall. The shadows come up and let them fall, and then rise up with something new. Be part of the revolution of change, the energy of something new. Right now, so many people are fighting against status quo scenarios. Maybe it's time for the collapse of our current economic structure and time to do something besides the democracy that's been going on for a long time. It's not really democracy, so what else can we do? Rather than just saying, I'm against this person and against that person and we need democracy to happen, let's maybe figure out a new type of government, a new type of way that we as humanity interact with each other. Whatever occurs in our new future, I know that I'm not doing it alone. You're not doing it alone. It cannot be done alone. It is a group consciousness, a group yearning, wanting to be and know what we truly are, which is love. Love. There is only love and fear is an illusion of lack of love. And the more that we integrate that into our internal beings, the easier life will be. So we've all got to do what we got to do, whatever that is. That's fine. That's right where you need to be, right where I need to be, that whatever it is. I invite you, though, before you take action or reaction, to take time now to be gentle with yourself, compassionate with you. Take time to be still. You don't have to look for answers. Just be still. Find that peace within and then do whatever it is that you need to do. Remember, change occurs within first and then evolves and grows outwardly. It's an exciting time to be alive. A scary time, yet exciting. It's a time to love thy neighbor, and thy neighbor may not be somebody you know or somebody you don't know very well. Their neighbor is humanity, each other. Thy neighbor is the person across a picket line. We don't all have to do things the same way. In fact, it's our diversity that that makes life sweet, because I can think one thing and somebody else can think something else, and together, if we talk about it, we could create something brand new. However, if we're not talking to each other, we don't give a chance to create much of anything new. It's just old rhetoric being yelled. So, be good to yourself and good to your neighbor. That's it for now.